Some of the common mistakes that people make. First, they probably claim an ineligible project. That's probably the most common mistake that we see. Or they've claimed an eligible project but claimed ineligible expenditures, like subcontractors outside of Canada or maybe patents. There's this misconception that patents are eligible, but they're not. So ineligible projects or ineligible expenditures, that's one of the most common mistakes. A second one is one that we see quite a bit, which is double taxation of SR&ED. Now that sounds really complicated, but what happens is a claimant will take their refund and they will put it into the cash basis of their business. Therefore, it becomes taxed twice because it's already been taxed. CRA has already taxed your refund, but then if you put it into revenue a second time, you get taxed on it twice. Definitely should talk to a competent accountant or a tax consultant like Bond Consulting Group to make sure that that doesn't happen, because we've seen it quite many times. And the third thing that I wanted to mention is documentation. A lot of companies are doing eligible work, but they just don't document properly. So when CRA comes to visit, they scramble. They don't know what to give CRA. And it's a huge mistake because they could have had eligible work, they could have had an eligible claim, but they get denied merely because they don't have the right supporting evidence to show CRA.